CNC 6090 aluminum frame. Item specifics. CNC or not CNC. Model number :6090 CNC frame. Condition newest _. Customized yes. Dimension LWH, 740 mm 1120 mm 900 Weight: 100 kg x, y, z. Working area: 600 mm 900 mm. Side panel height: 420 mm, thickness 20 mm. Technical parameters. 1. CNC 6090 aluminum frame. Work area: Z equals 600 × 900 × 80 mm. Table size: 740 × 1120 mm. Side panel height: 420 mm, thick 20 mm. The spindle holder: 80 mm. 2. Ball screw. Z-axis: SFU 1605 165 mm x1 PCS. X-axis: SFU 1605 755 mm x1 PCS. Y-axis: SFU 1605 1055 mm x1 PCS. 3. Light bars. Z-axis: SFC 16196 mm x2 PCS. X-axis: SFC 3796 mm x2 PCS. Y-axis: SFC 35 1116 mm x2 PCS. 4. Linear bearing. LM16 204 PCS. LM30 204 PCS. LM35 204 PCS. Z608 × 6 PCS. 5. Stepper motor. 57311 motor, name it 23, 3 PCS. Coupling 3 PCS. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.